Okay, so I realize that some people have been asking, like, have you filed a contempt motion? Have you gone before the judge lately for all of this? Yes, 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 yes. And if you haven't been following my YouTube, which only not a lot of people have been really following that much, unless I shared it on Facebook or whatever, then you will know. So this is just right here. I mean, this is what I have filed. That does not count the recusal. This is what I have filed in contempt motions, emergency hearings, and then appealing these denials in the Superior Court since September. This is just since September alone, and these are my appeals. So these are the only things that I'm appealing. Well, lots of things I'm appealing, but this has all been since I filed the recusal and these things that keep happening. So petition for emergency custody contempt, petition for contempt emergency hearing, petition for emergency custody contempt. What is this motion? Motion for emergency hearing. I mean, it's just, yes. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to put these all in order of the dates. And send it all over to the Superior, so I'm going to send one copy to the Superior Court, and I'm going to send one copy to the Supreme Court, just in case Bobby Joe Wagner at the Superior Court decides to take anything out, which honestly, they all work like right next door to each other on Grant Street, the Supreme Court and the Superior Court in Pittsburgh. So, I mean, they're all friends. And, I'm not so much worried about the efficiency anymore. Well, I am. I'm getting better as time goes on. But I'm just saying, they have me listed as Attorney Eric D. on my letter, and that's the Supreme Court doing that. And so, no one's perfect, right? Not even the Supreme Court. So, here we go. This is what's next. I'm working on it. I'm making some chicken and noodles, having to bust out my cooking skills on this winter day. And then I will proceed forward with everything that I said I was going to do next. And no, I have not heard back on if I can for sure see my kids on Thursday. I offered other, Friday, Saturday, whenever, tonight, tomorrow, any day is fine. Wednesday, I will take Caleb to wrestling. He is my son. So anyways, just stay quick. But I haven't heard anything back, of course. But just stay quick, yeah. So my heartfelt letter will kind of explain, like, what is going on here. And if they can read each one, they will see what is happening. My kids being continually kept from me. I mean, week after week, I'm reading this, like COVID, 1 week fake COVID at that, sports. I have a contempt motion in here when Christian was playing sports and was kept from me for like 4 weeks in a row. Then, then they're doing the same thing with Caleb, and actually they're keeping all the kids from me when, if Caleb has wrestling and I can't go for whatever reason, then why are my other 2 kids here? It's just never ending. It's just never ending, punched in the head. Mother was a stay-at-home mom and raised her 3 children as their sole caregiver for 12 years. Mother had full custody of her children until they were taken in September 2019 under an order that gave no legal reason to take my children. The court has recognized there are no parental concerns with mother, and that mother is more than capable of taking care of her children and providing for them. It is oppression and abuse to keep children from their mother like this. All 3 children are suffering from parental alienation. Mother has never alienated children from father, yet father and his paramour, Melissa Nagel, do all they can in their power to keep the 3 children alienated from mother. They continue to harass and physically assault mother and have done so in front of the children. Nagel charged with assault of mother and convicted of harassment for harassing mother. So, and it goes on and on and on, a whole, so I understand this is going to take them some time to work through, and I appreciate their time, and I hope they take me seriously and provide me some help. But I was looking at some of those, or 1 or 2 of these online groups for, like, bad judges and custody disputes that are not right. And I mean, people are just saying you gotta just start filing lawsuits left and right against everyone, and you have to do it yourself. And you don't stop because they're trying to intimidate you to go under a rock and be quiet. But that is what you are not to do. You are just not to stop until they give you back your children.